the input's the same, which is, your teeth, your heart, your bones, your bodily structure. But the output is completely different. Same with airports and scanning luggage and scanning people can they now can scan liquid in more than 4 ounces and determine by scanning it what the chemical composition is. But partly because of this whole naming convention of UK US X-ray, they're having similar things with the UK US X-ray H2O, and try to figure out who's controlling this. And so I think they've got the technology now so that you can bring more than 4 ounces, 3 ounces onto a plane.
3 or 4, or depending on 4 or 3.
Is that a weekly thing? Is there 4 days you can bring 3 ounces and 3 days you can bring 4 ounces? Is that where they're headed with this?
Yes, and I would say I think the only exception is not biweekly.
Not biweekly, right? Because they would have to change the signage to say every other day it's 4 ounces. Today's Tuesday. Sorry, you can't bring that 4 ounces. This is a 3 ounce day. And people bring out their schedules, and I've laminated this. It's no. We're not on the bi-weekly schedule.
Yes,
4 days on and 3 days off.
And if we are on track to inhabit 7 new planets by 2163,